Hey, my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? We're here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina at the SkyWheel, and we get to work on that today. It's gonna be an awesome job. Come on, let's go.
Hal's a handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh, wow. This is the line where you wait in to go to the SkyWheel. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, check this out. This is the camera. You get to stand right there and take a souvenir photo. Oh, let's see if we can do one. Oh, how about I take one? Come on. You can take it for me. Here we go. That was awesome. All right, wow, we're up on the platform, but we gotta go fix one of the motors. Did you know this thing has 4 motors? Come on check it out. Oh, gotta come up these steps. Oh, come right on up here. Come on. All right, check this out. This is a motor. Well, it's one of them. One of the 4. There's one there. There's one on the other side, and 2 over there. Oh, that's really cool. You know, this is what actually makes it go around and around. And it only goes at like 2.84 miles an hour. That's really slow. But we gotta fix the motor real quick so it can operate. So come on. Let's see here. Oh, check this out. Look at the tires on there. Yep, that tire runs around and around. And it spins the whole entire wheel. So let me reach up here and see if we can tighten some of these bolts real quick. Oh, let's get up here. Okay. Yeah, just a few little twists and turns here. Yeah, almost there. Almost. Gotta get up underneath here. Here we go. Hey, we're getting there. Nice and slow. Okay, I think we're good. Now, we gotta see if it works. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow, my friends. We're in the operator's booth. And this is totally awesome. This is what operates the gigantic wheel and spins it around. We got all kinds of cool buttons in here. We even got some radio so we can talk to all of the staff members. Let's see if we can turn it on. Here we go. You ready? Oh, wow. There it goes. It's totally awesome. Oh, wow. We're standing underneath the SkyWheel. This is really cool. And check it out. We've got the 2 motors, right? And they're working together, spinning the big wheel around and around. Of course, they're connected to the 2 legs of 8 legs. This thing's got 8 legs, kind of like a spider. Oh, that's really, really cool. Check it out. We've got all these cool support things in here. It's holding it together and keeping it nice and strong so it don't fall over. That's really cool. Oh, look, it's the VIP gondola. That's really cool. And it's got the glass on the bottom. That's awesome. One awesome part of this job is that you gotta wave at everybody passing by. Hey there. Oh, how awesome is this? Here we go. This is awesome. This SkyWheel in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, it was built in 2011. And thousands of people visit this place every single year. All right, well, let's check out the parts of the SkyWheel. First, we've got the hub. And that's the center. And then we've got the parts that you ride in. That's called the gondolas. One of which is a VIP one. VIP stands for very important person. That's awesome. And just like your bike's wheel, it has spokes. The SkyWheel has spokes too. It actually has 21 spokes. And if you all lay them down together,
It would equal the length of 6.5 football fields. That's long. The circumference of this SkyWheel is 537.5 feet. What is circumference? Well, it's starting out on one point on the circle and going all the way around back to that same point. That's circumference. This one has 537.5 feet of it. And that's a really big circle. This SkyWheel weighs 280,300 pounds. As much as 21 elephants. That is really heavy.
Did you know there are 42 gondolas on this thing? That's a lot. Let's count them. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 37, 30, wait, 38? No, that looked like 24. 39. Hold on a minute. There's way too many gondolas on this thing. Hey there, welcome to the SkyWheel. What can we do for you? You want a ticket? How about a VIP pass to our VIP gondola? All right, here it is. Have fun. See you later. All right, well, we finished this awesome job today, so now we get to have a little fun. Come on, let's go ride. This is gonna be awesome. All right, my friends, we're in the gondola. Oh, it's not just any gondola. It's the VIP one. Do you know why? Because it's got a glass floor. Check that out. You can see underneath us. Oh, this is totally awesome. Check this out. We're so high. We're getting to be over 200 feet above sea level. Talk about the sea. You can even see the sea. Oh, look at that. That's really awesome. You can see the whole world from up here. It's totally awesome. We can see the pier out there, some hotels. Oh wow, this is awesome. Maybe a whale. Oh no, maybe some dolphins. Oh, there might be some dolphins out there. Oh wow, look. It's the motor with the wheel. We fixed it. Oh, that's awesome.
And did you know that each one of these gondolas costs the same amount as a new fancy sports car?
Isn't this just traction awesome? Oh, wow. You get all these really cool views. Check all those views out. And of course, you get to sit in this really nice gondola with a glass floor, some really nice seats, and air conditioning. Oh, how cool is that? Can you feel that? Oh, can you hear that? Oh, you can hear that air blowing, right? Oh, yeah. Such a wonderful place. Great place to have some fun. This SkyWheel is so awesome. Have all kinds of family fun here. You know, we can ride for over 12 minutes. It's really fun. Ooh, maybe I should bring Mom out here. That would be awesome. You can see everything from up here. The cars look really, really tiny. Oh, wow. Awesome. What do you see? What can you see out there? See anything cool? Oh wow, look at all those people. They look like little teeny tiny ants. Oh wow, we had such fun on our flight. Come on. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Come on, let's go. Oh wow, look, it's my souvenir photo. Oh, that's really cool. Let's see if we can redo it. You ready? Here we go. Oh, that was awesome. We had such a fun day today working at the SkyWheel. We got to learn how it works with the motors. That was really, really cool. We even got to operate it. That was awesome. But our awesome job is not done yet. You know why? Because they've got lights on it. So we've got to wait till the sun sets, and then we're gonna come back and activate the light show. It's gonna be great. All right, my friends, as you can see, it's getting really dark out here. The sun's setting, and look, we even can see the moon. That's awesome. But now, we gotta activate the lights. This is gonna be totally awesome. And how do we do it? With this phone. It's got a really cool app on it. Oh, yep. Check that out. It's a button right there. It says activate. And then, of course, it's got all these cool programs. Let's see. Let's try this out. Can I get a drum roll, please? Yep. Look, that's totally awesome. Oh, it's pink. Oh, that's really cool. All right, my friends, well, we moved closer. And I have all the power in my hands. Oh, check this out. Check this out. This is gonna be cool. You ready? Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's got lights on every single spoke and all around the circumference of the wheel. That's cool. What colors do we see? Red, white, and blue. Oh, let's see what else we got. Oh, let's see. Activate. Oh, wow. That one's really cool. You can put all kinds of stuff up here. Blue for a boy, pink for a girl, or maybe even one of your favorite sports teams. Oh, that is awesome. Let's see what else we got. One more. Oh, this one's gonna be cool. Oh, look, it's rainbow. I think I like that one. That was really cool. Well, we got it all done. Come on, let's go take a ride. Let's go. All right, all right, come on, let's go. This is gonna be awesome. Hey, hey. Oh, come on in. Oh, this is gonna be great. Oh, wow, look. You can see the reflection over there on that building. It's like a big, huge mirror. That's really awesome. You can see all the cool pink lights. We've had such an amazing day here working at the SkyWheel. We've done so many cool things. Oh, like working on the motors with the wheels. Those were really, really cool. We even got to check out the operator's booth and hit the button to start the wheel. That was awesome. We even got to ride in the gondolas and look at all the cool scenery, like the ocean, and even tonight, the sunset. That was really cool. And of course, don't forget, we got our souvenir photo. That was awesome. Oh, hey! Amazing day. Oh, and we even got to activate the lights. That was my favorite part. It's like I had power in my hands. That was totally awesome. Well, we had an amazing day. Thanks for watching Handyman Hal. Have an awesome day.